So the type of things that you can do in the school all year round are a PE teacher for the day, meaning I just go teach all of the PE classes. Basically, what I'm doing in a PE teacher for the day is I'm doing a first intro, but I'm doing less punching, kicking, choking, grappling, and more character development stuff. I can do a lot of that stuff that's not, they're going to go out in the playground and choke each other out or punch them in each other in the nose. But I want to do an, an overemphasis of the character development stuff, but enough physical movement that the kids are excited. And the PE teacher sees it as a physical activity, right? But that's one thing as a PE teacher for the day. And again, I'll just use 500 because it's easy for the math. If there's 500 kids in the school, typically about 80% of them you'll get permission slips back. The permission slip is going to be name, address, phone number, email address. But as Master Smith said, it says everybody who participates today will receive 2 free weeks and a free uniform. If you'd like to be contacted to schedule an appointment for this, check here. And by the way, what I would add now is I would add a QR code or schedule an appointment here for your lesson, and then they can just scan it and schedule an appointment. If COVID did anything, it taught people how to use QR codes. Now, the difficulty is you now have to go through by phone, by voicemail, by text, by direct mail, and by email to get hold of them. And it's just like an online lead really is no different than a Facebook lead. If you get to them quickly, you get a pretty high percentage. If you let them, die on the vine for 3 or 4 days, they forgot you existed, right? So what I always wanted to do is I wanted to have a crew that was going to get on the phone, the day the thing was done. So if I did the PE teacher on Tuesday at 3:30 when class is over, we're blitzing the phones, right? So they're getting a voicemail, they're getting a text, they're getting an email, and they're getting somebody at least trying to get hold of them on the phone the same day, just immediately following up.